So guys, I just got out the shower and I'm going to go ahead and use my K18 to put in my hair. I just got a sample. This is how much you should use, and you don't supposed to wash this out, so yeah, I don't know. I have to use all of this, and I don't know if I'm gonna blow dry my hair. It doesn't say you have to, so I'm not sure if I need all this, but I'm gonna put it in my hair. Kind of got an alcohol-y smell, I'm not gonna lie. So in, and then comb it through after 4 minutes. So I'm just gonna let this, make sure I rub it all in. Yeah, because it's late and I want to go to bed. So I'm just going to let this sit. Then I'm going to comb it through. So I just shampoo and put this in. You don't supposed to condition. You do not supposed to condition. So I got to do a skincare video. So I'm going to let this sit for 4 minutes. And then I'll be back. Okay, so I let it sit. I'm just going to comb through it. My hair is drying, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and blow dry my hair tonight. I don't feel like it, but I want to. Y'all, the hair is growing, child. The hair has grown. So it's growing out pretty fast. I'm not mad at it. Better for when I start putting my clippings in and stuff like that. So I'm gonna end this video tonight here, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay guys, so this is the next day, and I just put a scarf on. My hair feels good. It doesn't feel like it normally does. Y'all, my hair is growing like so bad, like, well, so good, but it's growing fast. Like, I got a lot of new growth. So I'm gonna just go in and start to flat iron my hair. Oh, okay, so this is the look, you guys. I just made a side part and pushed my hair back because, baby, I'm hot and I don't know where the heat came from. It's warmer today. I'm hot. So this is the look. I do like the K19. I mean K18. I do feel like it's gonna do something to my hair. I think I'm gonna buy, I don't know if I'm gonna buy another sample or if I'm going to go ahead and get another, or if I'm gonna go ahead and get the bigger size. But baby, my hair is moving, okay? It's full, it's thick. I love to not see in between my ends. That's probably why I cut it so much. But yeah, I just got a side part. I love to push it back. I'm gonna put my earrings on. Let me show you guys how I look with my these silver earrings, and I have on a silver skirt, a gray skirt. Gray and silver just, oh, it's been giving me life. So I gotta put some pomade on my flyaways. Y'all, this look here, the side part push back, stop. Like, just stop right now. That's the look, you guys, and it is so cute. It's so chic. I just love this look on me. I'm gonna wear it for the holidays. I'm gonna try to curl it. It's gonna grow out a little bit more by Christmas, so then yeah. So that's the look, you guys. I do like the K18. Leave comments down below if you guys have any other questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.